Are you spending more money on special apps or programs just so clients can sign an agreement or contract with you? Don't waste your time or money on that. Use Google Forms for free because it comes with your account. One subscriber said, "I'm a coach and I never even considered using forms." Hi, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer, Google certified trainer, and productivity specialist. I empower business owners with Google solutions so you can make time and space for what matters most. In the comments below, let me know what you use Google Forms for now, or what form solutions you are looking for your business. Google Forms may be the answer. If you want to learn about Google Forms, create a form, or get some expert advice from a Google certified trainer, join us for our digital organizing workshops, where you get 2 hours of hands-on co-working time with an expert by your side. Now that digital signatures are widely accepted for all types of transactions, having your clients digitally sign a digital agreement has become standard practice. Some apps let clients write their signatures like they are writing with a pen on a piece of paper. But in Google Forms, typing their name as their signature and dating the form is enough to be legally binding. I did check with my lawyers, and this is legally accepted in my state, so I'm comfortable with this. You should double check with your lawyers or legal counsel as well before implementing. How can you use a Google form for a client contract? The Google form should include standard fields like name, email, phone, and physical address. The text of the agreement can either be in a Google Doc or in the form itself. All questions that you want answered should be on the form. The client's digital signature will consist of them typing their name and dating the form, and they can get an emailed copy of their form answers. After those basic things, there are 3 levels of detailedness that you might want to get, which is determined by how much content you actually want on the form itself. Level 1, all of the agreement or contract is text in a Google Doc, which is linked at the top of the form so clients can read it before signing your form. Level 2 would be most of the agreement or contract is in a Google Doc, which is linked at the top of the form, but the form includes a few more questions that need to be answered or that they need to agree to, such as, I agree to 50% down and 50% at the end of the project. I agree to keep all pets contained. I do or do not agree to have before and after photos used for marketing purposes. Level 3 of detailedness on your Google form would be all of the text of the client agreement is in the Google form with each related question below each section of text. This is the most work to make this kind of Google form, but then everything is all in one place. And when they get a copy of it, everything is all together. Be sure you turn on notifications in the Google form so you are notified as soon as they click submit. If you would like help building a Google form as a client agreement, or you would like help with any other Google forms for your business, please schedule a clarity call so we can discuss how to schedule some VIP sessions for you.